Hello class, let's read the homework together. First we read the sounds k, I, p, and then we read the words k, I, p, kip. Okay, now you try. Read the sounds. Ik, ik, and the word ik, pick. Next one, say the sounds and now the word. Listen to me and stop the video if you want to repeat. An, ran, ran. Try the next one. Say the sounds. Men, men, men. The next one, say the sounds. App, map, 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 map. The next one, say the sounds. Rest, 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 rest. Say the sounds. At, hat, at, hat. This one we're going to skip. It was a special one, extra. We're going to look at this one. Say the sounds. App, app, tap, app, tap. And the next one. Say the sounds. In, in, tin, tin, in, tin. Great work, everybody. If you want, you can watch the video again and practice some more. See you on Tuesday. Bye, class.